Hello and welcome to Obstructions. This video will go over the proper way to take a measurement for obstructions and how to design them into your KCD. So an obstruction is anything that cannot be moved. That could be an electrical outlet, it could be a light switch, an electrical box, a cable box, phone box, an access panel, a bump out in a wall. So essentially anything that would obstruct our ability to place a unit up against the wall. Now, they can be incorporated into the design or designed around. So it's important to take accurate measurements and to place them into your KCD appropriately. So I'm going to show you about 5 pictures. So this is just the the light switch. When we measure from the wall to the first part of the obstruction. So this is the right side of the wall. If you'll notice, this is the door jamb where there's obviously the connecting wall here. So this is going to be from the right side to the first part of the obstruction, which is going to be 26.5 inches to 29.5/8. We also measure from the floor. So this is the floor, and it's a finished floor because it's not concrete. So this is from floor up to the bottom of the obstruction. So we measure 42 inches from the floor up to 47 inches. Now, the way we would place a notation, let's see here if I can draw a text here. So it would be 42 inches to 47 inches from floor, 26.5 inches, 29.5/8 inches from right. So when you're taking your dimensions of your walls, the wall height, which is your ceiling height, your door, you're going to make a notation on your grid sheet of not the actual grid sheet for production plans, but the actual grid sheet that you're drawing on that's taking the measurements, your paper. So you'll make a notation from floor, from right. We will take this information and we're going to place this light switch into KCD. Kind of convenient that they pop up there. So this is how the room is. We have all the walls, we have the door. Now, the outlet is about right here, not the outlet, but the electrical light switch. It's approximately here. It's going to be 26.5 inches from this portion to where it starts. So we always highlight the wall of where we need to place something. It's better to be in a front view, so you can either double click or you can hit the spacebar twice. In your library, you'll have many different items to choose from. We need a light switch. So I just left click, and you'll notice the cursor has a line with an up arrow. That it means it's looking to place it somewhere. So I'm just going to click it, and a dialog box pops up. So we want it from the right wall, so I'm going to choose right. The location from the right is 26.5, so I will type in 26.5, or you can do a fraction, and I'll hit OK. I'm going to go back into it because I need to change off the floor, which is 42 inches off floor. So now I have my light switch designed into the space. So here is my obstruction. This will tell me what I could place here, or at least when I'm going through the designs with a client, I can accurately show them what's in their space.